Got some wire, and there's plenty of good wire in here, which I usually get approximately more or less 80 cents a pound locally. And this little board has quite a bit of gold. You got gold over here, gold tip here, you got the IC chips. Some good value on this little guy if you're into the gold refining and all that. If not, again, peripheral board. And like you can see, there's all sorts of wire here. There's tons of it, just everywhere. And since this is all going in the trash, it doesn't matter if I cut it up or not. Another hunk of steel. As you can see, plenty of wire, some metal, should be a motor in here somewhere. So I'm definitely going to go into this a little more, see what's under the board. And not much else, but these little buttons here, from what I've seen online and from what other scrappers are saying, these little buttons should have some silver in them. And there's plenty of monolithic capacitor, so there's some pretty good value in this board here. More plastic, and we have some more small boards here on this side. One is for the USB and some more wiring. Another nice little board here. So we got these guys here. So this one, USB port, has gold. So a simple board here. Some copper bearing motor here. So we're slowly getting at this LCD screen. Just have to figure out how to get this out. And then when you go down here, you have this fuser, and you have the power supply. So after that, that's pretty much all that's valuable. Just the 30 minutes this one took is, I find, a little long, but just wanted to show you guys some of the important parts. The power supply, the fuser, the board, so we took out the hard drives, what to look at, some wires, lots of wires in these big printers.